Namaskar, children. So, can you spare a moment for me? All right. So, I can see that a lot of buzz is going on. So, I just wanted to ask you a question. So, are you all ready? Okay. So now, Arahi, I just wanted to ask you that you're standing in the queue. So, are you going to vote based on friendship or leadership qualities?
I feel that everybody has their own forte and own experience, and that's why they're standing for this position because they know they're good at it. So I think potential is more important than friendship, even though somewhere in my heart I feel that the person I voted for should win. But yeah, potential is better than.
Okay, that's a diplomatic answer. Okay, so Sakshay, so I can see you standing for your chance. Okay, so now what matters to you? Whether a child or candidate should be popular or should possess qualities? How are you going to judge that?
I'd actually say that it should be a middle ground of both, because if you find someone that is incredibly able and yet nobody gives a salt's worth of weight to their opinion, then they're not really going to be worth anything. And if someone's incredibly popular and yet can't get anything done, then there's also drawbacks in that. So I think people should focus on not only their how they look in public, but also focus on how they are and how they deal with situations, and it should be a mix of both.
Okay. So Hemant, did the campaign change your mind? That you had already decided for someone, but then after the campaign,
At first,
were they able to change your mind?
At first, I was thinking of voting one of my friends as to a position, but then when I listened to the speech of the other candidates, I realized that my friend wasn't as compatible with the position as the others. So I decided to vote the other candidates who actually made more sense to be on that position.
Okay. All right. So here I want to ask you one more last question. Suppose the candidate that you have chosen for and does not win. So how are you going to support the new council? Yes, okay.
So basically what I think is the person which I elected do not win. So I won't just say that you didn't win, but I will appreciate that he or she at least just have courage to for elect people. And definitely I think the person whom I will choose or I will elect will definitely win, because I am damn sure for that.
Okay. That's confidence. All right. So let the best win. May the best win. All right. So all the best and go on. Thank you.
Namaskar, Arahi.
Namaskar, ma'am.
So, what do you think the qualities of a good leader should have?
I think a good leader should always be kind to their fellow friends, and a leader should be fair and just, and a leader should have those qualities that are really required for their post or their position.
Okay. So, asking from you, dear students, so how do you consider the idea of election in student council?
Ma'am, I think the idea of selecting our leaders with our choice, we should choose the leaders based on their potential and their skills, and not just our friendship and favoritism.
Okay.
Namaskar, children.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Okay. So you all excited? Have you voted?
No, ma'am, not yet.
No. Okay. Fine. You're waiting for your turn, right? Okay. So how many of you are standing for the elections? Oh, that's wonderful. All right. So now I want to ask you a question. I'll ask Ashlesha. So Ashlesha, what if you lose by just one vote and your friend wins? So how are you going to take the decision as?
Ma'am, I think I will take it with a pinch of salt, and I will accept that maybe my friend deserves it more, and he or she is going to work better for that post and will serve the school better than me.
Well said, Ashlesha. And of course, winning is not important. What is important is to play the game.
Yes.
Right? Yes. Okay, now Bhumika. So I'm sure you're going to vote judicially. But then, what if your friend is also standing for an election for the same post, and you feel that the other person who's standing is more deserving? So, how will you balance it out?
First of all, I'll say that all of my friends who have stood up for the candidate as a candidate, they're very much deserving for their post, whatever they have stood for. And secondly, if any other person who is more deserving for that specific position, I'll definitely vote them, because at last it's for the school and it's to bring up more and more enthusiastic spirit in the school.
That's a wonderful answer. Yes, that's what one should do. When you're sitting on the chair or when you are exercising your power, it has to be done judicially, right? Thank you.